In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a speech language pathology evaluation using a saved template in HelloNote. We'll begin by opening an existing patient's chart. From the patient's record, click Add to create a new case. Complete the required case information, including the office location, profile, case title, insurance, referring provider, assigned therapist, case type, and place of service. To keep this tutorial moving, some portions of the data entry have been sped up. Once everything has been entered, save the case. Next, open the Actions menu and select View Note List. Click New Note, then choose Pick Evaluation Template. The template automatically loads the evaluation, giving you a complete framework that can be customized to match your patient's needs. We'll start on the Assessment tab. Here, review the patient's medical history, reason for referral, diagnosis, and subjective complaint. Update each section as needed to reflect today's evaluation. Next, move to the Findings tab. Document the patient's swallowing findings and enter your clinical observations. Continue to the Objective tab. Select the Mann Assessment of Swallowing Ability, or MASA, then complete the objective findings, interpretation, and clinical comments. Now open the Treatment Plan tab. Review the patient's treatment goals and update the short-term and long-term goals as appropriate. Complete the goal timeframes and comments before continuing to the evaluation components. Next, enter the recommended treatment codes, then document the patient's prognosis, frequency, duration of care, patient education, and plan of care. With the treatment plan complete, open the Billing tab. Review the assessment summary and document the services performed during today's visit. When you're ready, open the Actions menu, select Finalize, confirm the date, and complete the evaluation. And that's it. Your speech language pathology evaluation is complete.